Well, hello everybody. This is the next installment of the heater startups for 2022-2023. I'm going to go ahead and start first with the homemade heater. And I don't know if I've ever shown a startup of this on video before, but first what I like to do is fill up the tank with hot water to give it kind of a jump start. Once it's going, it'll do just fine, but it gets going a lot faster if I do the startup this way. That should be about right. And now I will move on to phase 2. We'll regroup and reset the camera here. Alright, the next step, I'm going to run the pumps only and make sure they're going to work before I apply heat. One turned on, this one here. See if it will do anything. Pull it out and take a look at it. Yeah, that got pretty disgusting in there. It is pumping though. I'll probably clean that out real good and that should be in good shape. Well, I got the antifreeze changed. That looks much better. Let's fire it up and see what happens. Purging some air bubbles. Let that purge and build up a little pressure in the lines and make sure it's circulating. Well, just a few moments later, it's flowing nicely. Now on to the next step. Time to plug in the second pump and get that one circulating. And I can hear it's doing its thing. Sounds like that'll be working okay. Let that one purge a little bit and then I will apply the heating elements. Let's go ahead and apply the heating elements. The lights did dim a little bit. So now to let those circulate, and when I start feeling some warm tubing, I will turn on the fan. So I'm beginning to feel some warmth on these coils. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fan. And there's the startup of that. So this one's going pretty well. It does take this one a little while to build up some heat, but it'll get there. Come back and give it a check here in a little while. A little while later, I'm satisfied this is working well. It'll go up a little more than that. It's putting out a nice gentle heat, I would say. That warms this little shop up just fine. So let's try the Hisense heater next. Alright, got that powered up. Here's the starting temperature, which is just starting it from the outside, so it's about 58 outside, so we're got to heat up that whole cabinet and everything. I'm beginning to feel some heat from this now. 84. And we're getting up in the 90s, so I'm satisfied that this one's going to work as well. So once again, this has been starting the heaters out in my workshop. Thank you for watching.